Good afternoon, students.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yeah, can you hear my voice? And screen is visible now?
Yes, sir.
Students, okay. So let us start discussing about the logic gates today's session. Okay. So in yesterday's session itself, we have started the concepts regarding logic gates actually, and I explained you what are the different types of logic gates available, and basically about AND gate and OR gate I have explained in yesterday's session itself. Just to go in depth regarding the logic gates and how they are operated, and what are the applications of each logic gate, and what are the truth table of each logic gate, and what is a logical expression for each logic gate will be explained in today's session. Guys, this concept is very important, and throughout your engineering, wherever you go, this logic gates concept will come each and every subject, in each and every subject. So be clear, learn the topic clearly. Okay, learn the concept clearly. If you are having any doubt, just you can ask me, and I will try to clarify the doubt clearly. Okay, just I'm going from the first slide. Okay, so basically, guys, when you are trying to design any digital circuit, so these logic gates will be used as a basic building blocks in designing of any digital circuit. Okay, and there are different types of logic gates available, like basic logic gates, then universal gates, then we'll try to go for extended gates. Okay, after all these logic gates. Okay, so AND gate, OR gate, and NOT gate are called as basic logic gates, and NAND gate and NOR gate are called as universal logic gates, and XOR and XNOR gate are called as extended logic gates actually. Okay, then I'll try to see one by one how the gates and how the truth table will be, and its logic expression will be looking like. Guys, remember, for any logic gate, there will be any number of inputs. Okay, if you want to take 10 inputs, you can take it. If you want to take 20 inputs, you can take it. If you want to have 100 inputs, you can take. But there will be only one output. Only one output. Remember that. If you want to take any number of inputs, you can take it. Two inputs, three inputs, four inputs you want. Okay, you can take it. But there will be only one output for any logic gate. First of all, remember. Then there will be either 0 or 1 will be input or output. Okay, you can take zeros as inputs, or you can take ones as inputs, or combination of zeros and ones as inputs in digital circuits. Okay, and your output also will be in digital format itself, like with zeros and ones. Be clear with that. Okay, inputs and output for any digital circuit, nothing but logic gates, will be always zeros and ones. Remember that. Then I can show you that we logically we will call 0 as low, and 1 as high. Remember that. Okay, in some of the formats, just you can see that 0 will be called as low and 1 will be called as high in there. Okay, so don't get confused. 0 means low always and 1 means high always. Okay, that is the case. Then guys, if you go for the first gate, AND gate. Okay, this is first gate in the basic gates, AND gate. Guys, you understand this one. Okay, take a paper and note down what are the concepts I'm going to say now. Okay, try to practice this logic symbol in the notebook first of all. Okay, try to practice. If I am showing the slide, try to practice the logic symbol and try to note down the truth table what I am showing in here. Okay, truth table what I am showing in here. Okay, you can take input 1 as A and input 2 as B and output as Y. Okay, you can take input 1 as A, input 2 as B, and output as Y here. Okay, this is the logic symbol. Remember, guys. Okay, so this is the logic symbol for AND gate. Okay, the shape of the logic gates should be drawn properly in the logic circuit. If you change the shape, automatically the meaning of the entire circuit will get changed. Okay, keep that in mind. The shape of the logic gate should be drawn properly. If you change the shape, automatically the meaning of the entire circuit will change. That's why I'm asking you guys to practice on your book when you're looking at the slide actually. Okay, guys, remember AND gate. First of all, the first gate in the basic gates, you can see the logic symbol how it should be drawn. These two are the inputs and this is your output terminal. You can take input A here, you can take input B here, and you can take output Y here. Guys, remember, if I am taking input A and input B as inputs. If my output is Y, then your output Y is equal to, A into B, A into B. Guys, what do you understand from this expression? Y is equal to A into B. The AND gate is used for
Multiplication.
multiplication of two inputs.
Multiplication.
That is right. That is right. If I am taking two inputs A and B, the output of AND gate Y is equal to A into B. Means AND gate is used for multiplying the inputs. You can see that in the truth table. If I am taking A equal to 0 and B equal to 0, therefore 0 into 0, your output also 0. If I take A equal to 0, B equal to 1, 0 into 1 is equal to 0. If I take A equal to 1 and B equal to 0, 1 into 0, 0. And when I take A equal to 1 and B equal to 1, your output also 1. 1 into 1 is 1. And also guys, when I'm trying to explain logic gates and its truth table, the terminology I will use is from the inputs. Whenever my two inputs A and B are high, then only my output Y is high for AND gate. Look at here. High means it should be 1. Whenever I'm having the two inputs high, A equal to 1 and B equal to 1, only in that case your output will be high. For remaining all cases, your output will be low in AND gate. That is how you need to explain the truth table for AND gate. Whenever the two inputs are high, the output will be high for AND gate. For remaining three cases, output is low. Guys, the important point here is AND gate is the first gate in the basic gates. AND gate is used for multiplying the digital inputs. If I take A and B as my inputs, your output Y is equal to A into B. And in the truth table, when and only when the two inputs are high, your output will be high, or else the output will be low always. This is about AND gate. Guys, are you okay? Are you okay with the AND gate? Any doubts in the AND gate? Any doubts in the AND gate? Okay, then let me go for a second basic gate, OR gate. Okay. Already we know what is meant by AND and what is meant by OR in Boolean algebra. AND means multiplication, OR means addition. Okay. So OR gate is used for adding the two inputs. OR gate is used for adding the two inputs. Okay, guys, see here. If A and B are my inputs and Y is my output, then the output Y is equal to A plus B, which means that this OR gate is used for adding the two inputs what we are having. Okay, adding the inputs what we are having. See here how they are adding 0 plus 0. Guys, one more thing, important thing I told you yesterday itself, but I am explaining one more time. Boolean addition is different from binary addition. In Boolean addition, there is no sum and there is no carry. If you add, you will get output. 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 plus 1 also 1. Okay, A plus A equal to A. By means of that, I will write 1 plus 1 also 1. Remember that. But when you go for binary addition, we already know that sum and carry will be there. 0 plus 0 means sum 0, carry 0. 0 plus 1 means sum 1, carry 0. 1 plus 0 means sum 1, carry 0. 1 plus 1 means sum 0, carry 1. Okay. So your binary addition and Boolean addition are different. Okay. Remember that. Okay. Keeping that in the mind, see here, I told you already, this OR gate is used for adding the two inputs. When I take 0 plus 0, we already know that 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 1 is 1. And 1 plus 0 is 1. And 1 plus 1 is 1 always. Guys, if I want to explain the truth table, I have to say like this. When the two inputs are low, output is low. For remaining all cases, output is high. When the two inputs are low, output is low. For remaining all cases, output is high for OR gate. And remember, guys, try to take this logic symbol into the rough book. Try to practice it. Observe the difference between AND gate logic and OR gate logic. This is OR gate, which is used for adding the two digital inputs, not only two. The number of inputs what we are taking will add all the inputs what we are having will generate output as a single output. Okay, single output digit. Then go for the next gate, guys. The third one in basic gates after and OR gate is NOT gate. AND gate is known, OR gate is now, and now we'll go for NOT gate. These three are basic gates. So let us go for NOT gate. Guys, you can see this is a little peculiar gate. In AND gate and OR gate, you can have any number of inputs or n number of inputs you can take. But when you come to NOT gate, you can only take single input and single output. Okay, can take only single input and single output. And majorly, this NOT gate is called as inverter gate. This NOT gate is called as inverter gate. Means this NOT gate is used to reverse the input what we are giving. See here, this is a truth table for NOT gate. I told you already, there is only 0 or 1 as my input for any logic gate. Okay, since this is digital electronics. Okay, so guys, since this NOT gate is used for inverting the input, if I give 1 as my input, 0 will be output, and if I give 0 as input, 1 will be output. Okay, so this is a conversion. Okay, well, 1 మీరు input గా ఇస్తే 0 output వస్తుందండి. అదే 0 input గా ఇస్తే 1 output గా వస్తుంది. Just will try to invert the inputs. It will invert the inputs. Okay, that's why it is called inverter gate. And this inverter gate is also called as NOT gate, and it will have only single input and single output. Guys, now I told you 3 gates which are called basic gates: AND gate, OR gate, NOT gate. Tell me, guys, what for we will use AND gate? AND gate then give చేస్తామండి.
Multiplication.
So the Boolean expression or logical expression is y is equal to a into b. And guys, now next one, OR gate is used for
Adding.
adding the input. And what is a logical expression? What is a logical expression? Output y is equal to yeah, guys. Now I'm saying the third gate NOT gate, and third gate is NOT gate. This NOT gate can also be called as
Inverter gate.
inverter gate. And how many inputs will be there for an inverter gate? How many inputs will be there for an inverter gate?
Single input, single
Okay.
output, sir.
Guys, remember, if A is my input, output y is equal to a bar. Remember like that. If input is A, output y is equal to a bar. Okay, so that is how you need to write a Boolean expression or a logical expression for the inverter gate. If A is the input, y is equal to a bar. If B is the input, okay, if a bar is the input, what will be your output, guys? Can you guess? If a bar is the input, what is your output?
Yes, sir.
A. Because a bar will be inverted. A bar will be inverted again. A double bar, it will become a double bar is equal to a actually. Okay, a double bar is equal to a actually. That is why this will be a again. Okay, guys. So far we have known with AND gate, OR gate, and NOT gate. Okay, these 3 are basic gates. Guys, someone is disturbing the class. Please mute your voice. Okay. So after these 3 basic gates, let me go for the next gate. That is NAND gate. Okay, Sahiti, 4D9 Sahiti. 4D9 Sahiti. Yeah, guys. So let me go for the next gate. That is NAND gate. Okay, NAND gate. NAND is equal to, guys, remember, NAND is equal to, okay, I will give you a simple assumption or simple thing. Always NAND is equal to, okay, always NAND is equal to AND plus NOT. Remember this. NAND gate is equal to AND plus NOT gate. Means, guys, I will show AND gate logic symbol once. Observe this one. Okay, guys, all of you observe this logic symbol. Once again, I'm going for NAND gate. Guys, check this logic symbol. What difference you can find between them? What difference you can find between these 2 logic symbols? This logic symbol and this logic symbol. What difference you can find? What is the difference you can find between these two logic symbols, guys? Can you identify any
Sir,
difference?
S circle, sir.
Yes.
Yeah.
Sir,
Yeah,
at the
that
tip
is,
there is a small circle, sir.
yeah, this is called bubble. This is called bubble or inverter. This can be called as bubble or inverter. That's why I have written here NAND is equal to AND plus NOT. Guys, if there is no bubble here, this is AND gate, nothing but AND gate. And by adding a bubble in the end at the output terminal, by adding a bubble at the output terminal of AND gate, you're going to get NAND gate. Remember that. By adding a inverter at the output of NAND gate, AND gate, see here, this is AND gate. If I add a small bubble here at the output terminal, this AND gate automatically changes as NAND gate. Remember that. Okay. And that's why I wrote NAND is equal to AND plus NOT. Guys, understand one thing. If I add an inverter at the output of the AND gate, what will happen? If I add a inverter means NOT gate and inverter means NOT. If I add this bubble represent NOT gate here. If I add a bubble at the output of AND gate, what will happen? What will happen?
Reverse the output state.
Yeah, it will exactly reverses the output of AND gate. Since I'm adding inverter at the output of AND gate, see here, guys, you can observe clearly in the truth table. Guys, check here. What are your outputs here? What are your outputs? 0, 0, 0, 1. Let me go for NAND gate. What are your outputs? 1, 1, 1, 0. Exactly the reverse of AND gate. Okay, exactly the reverse of AND gate. Okay, guys, this is your logic expression, logic symbol or logical expression for AND gate. If A and B are my inputs in the, if output is equal to Y, my output Y is equal to AB whole bar. AB whole bar. Guys, tell me what is Y equal to AB? Which gate? Y equal to AB? Which gate? Y equal to AB?
AND gate.
AND gate. Since I'm adding inverter, I'm getting this bar. Inverter of your AND gate, AB bar. Okay, guys, can you check this one? Do you find the same difference? AND gate 0, 0, 0, 1. Reverse of it is 1, 1, 1, 0. Exactly reverse. Okay, guys, is it okay? Do you understand the logic symbol and truth table of the NAND gate?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, then let me go for the next gate, NOR gate. NOR gate. Okay, guys, here also same kind of explanation should be given. NOR is equal to OR plus NOT. OR plus NOT. Check the symbol here, guys. I'm showing you the symbol of OR gate. Symbol of OR gate. Now, if I add a inverter in this terminal, if I add a extra inverter here, okay, if I add an extra inverter here, that OR gate will become NOR gate. Okay, NOR means not plus or, like not plus or. NAND means N plus and N means NOT gate, nothing but. Okay, so by adding an inverter at the output terminal of OR gate, I'm getting NOR gate. Okay, guys. Then can you guess me what is the logical expression for NOR gate? Can you guess me what is the logical expression for NOR gate? Y is equal to
A bar plus B bar.
Plus
Wrong.
B bar.
wrong. Guess it correctly. What is your expression here for OR gate? What is the expression for OR gate?
Y equal
A plus B whole bar, sir.
Yeah, that is correct. Y is equal to A plus B is the output for OR gate. Inversion of this one is A plus B whole bar. A plus B whole bar. Guys, remember A bar plus B bar is different. A plus B whole bar is different. Okay, A bar plus B bar is different. A plus B whole bar is different. Okay. So the logic symbol of NOR gate is this one. Logical expression is Y is equal to A plus B whole bar. Guys, since I told you OR gate is inverted here, OR gate is inverted here. Look at the outputs of OR gate. Look at the outputs of OR gate. 0, 1, 1, 1. Now let us come to NOR gate. What is happening? Exactly the reverse of OR gate is taken here. 1, 0, 0, 0 is the truth table of NOR gate. By adding an extra OR gate, sorry, NOT gate in the end of, at the end of OR gate, I am getting my NOR gate. Please be clear with that. So far, we have seen AND gate, OR gate, NOT gate, the basic gates. And we have learned two more gates, NAND gate, NOR gate. These two gates are called as universal gates. Okay. What are NAND gate and NOR gate? What are NAND and NOR? What gates they are? Universal gates. Remember that. Okay. Yeah. Universal logic gates. Okay. Universal logic gates. NAND and NOR are called universal logic gates. Okay. And then let me go for the next. Students, can you hear my voice?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Somehow it got disconnected. Let us join again. Okay. So look at your, we are looking at XOR gate. Okay. After AND or NOT, NAND and NOR gate, we are looking at XOR gate. Okay. So X means exclusive OR gate. Okay. XOR means exclusive OR gate. Guys, look at here. I'm looking at OR gate. I'm looking at OR gate. Okay. I'm looking at OR gate. Then look at the logic symbol of OR gate and XOR gate. A small R key is added and extra. Okay, I'm trying to explain you what are the differences you can find in logic symbol of XOR gate and OR gate. Okay, this is XOR, same kind OR gate is here. Okay, guys, this is also one of the important gate we can say. You'll understand why I'm calling this as a important gate. This XOR gate is highly or mostly used in, okay, mostly used in adders, okay, full adders and half adder circuits. We'll try to use these XOR gates in main. That is why I'm calling these gates are very, very important gates. Okay, XOR gate is very important gate. Guys, look at here. I have shown you the logic symbol of XOR gate, and let me go for logical expression. Y is equal to A B bar plus A bar B. Okay, if I use this logic symbol with inputs A and B, your output will be written like A into B bar plus A bar into B. Okay, this is the logical expression of XOR gate. Okay, tell me guys, what is the logical expression of XOR gate? Y is equal to
A bar
plus A bar B.
okay. So a logical expression Y is equal to A bar B plus AB bar is the logical expression. So if you substitute the inputs 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1 into the expression, you'll get the outputs. Okay. And in order to explain this truth table of XOR gate, I simply say when the two inputs are low and when two inputs are high, your output is low. That is how I need to explain XOR gate. Okay, truth table of XOR gate. Look at here, guys. When the two inputs are low and when the two inputs are high, output is low. And remaining two cases, output is high. Okay, this is XOR gate. This is the logic symbol, and the logical expression for XOR gate is A bar B plus AB bar. And in the truth table for XOR gate, when the two inputs are low or when the two inputs are high, output is low. And for remaining cases, output is high always. Then let me go for the last logic gate. What we are having is XNOR gate. XNOR gate, guys. XOR already seen. We are adding extra NOT here. XNOR means extra NOT is added. See the logic symbol of XNOR here. For the XOR gate, we have added extra inverter. For XOR gate, we have added extra NOT gate. Okay, look at the logic symbol of this one. This is XOR. If I add extra inverter here at the output terminal, I'm going to get my XNOR gate. Means your output will be reversed here. When the two inputs are low and when the two inputs are high, your output is high. For remaining two cases, output is low. This tells you that the output of the truth table here is exactly the reverse of XOR gate's output. Exactly the reverse of XOR gate's output, and the logical expression for XNOR gate is y is equal to AB plus AB bar. Okay, y is equal to AB plus AB bar is the expression for XNOR gate. Guys, is there any doubt for you in any of these gates? First three gates and or not are basic gates, NAND and NOR are universal gates, XOR and XNOR are derived gates. Okay guys, any doubts in these gates what we have seen so far? Any doubts? Any doubts, guys?
Sir, what is the expression for XNOR gate, sir?
XOR or XNOR?
XNOR, sir.
XNOR is y is equal to AB plus AB bar. Okay, y is equal to AB plus AB bar is the expression for XNOR gate. Okay, AB plus AB bar. Okay, guys, now you tell me, you have to reply to me. Okay, or else I will stop sharing. Guys, have you noted down or have you practiced all the logic symbols and logical expressions, guys? Now I'm trying to write the gates what I'm having. Okay, what are the gates we have? 488 is available here in the session. 488. 488.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, tell me what are the gates we have?
AND gate, OR gate, NOT gate, NOR
Okay.
gate, XOR gate, XNOR
NAND,
gate, NAND gate.
Follow an order. Okay, follow an order. Okay, first of all we'll go with logic basic gates and or not, then we'll go with universal gates NAND and NOR, then we'll go with the derived gates XOR and XNOR. Okay, so these are the gates we have so far. Okay, seen so far. Now we'll try to draw its logical expressions. Okay, so guys, tell me what are the logical expressions we can have here. Y is equal to, what is the logical expression for?
A into B.
Okay, A into B is the, okay, sorry, A into B is the logical expression for AND gate. What is the logical expression for OR gate? So OR gate is used for adding the two numbers. So y is equal to A plus B is the expression. What about NOT gate? If A is the input,
If A is the input, output will be A bar, sir.
A bar.
A
Okay.
equal to A bar.
Now tell me what about NAND gate? Y is equal to
AB bar.
AB bar, sir.
okay, AB bar. AB bar is the expression for NAND gate. Okay, exactly the reverse of AND gate. Now what is the expression for NOR gate?
A is equal
A
to
plus B whole bar.
Yeah. A plus B whole bar is the expression for NOR gate. Okay, A plus B whole bar. Now what is the expression for XOR gate?
Y is equal to B bar plus A bar.
A bar B plus AB bar. Okay, so this is the expression for XOR gate. Okay, A bar B plus AB bar is the expression for XOR. Okay, guys, remember one more thing I have to say here. This XOR gate can also be XOR operation can be denoted like this also. Okay, if I write A, this is the symbol plus inside the circle, in between A and B, is called A XOR B. Okay, this is called A XOR B symbol, plus inside the circle is called XOR symbol. And likewise, what is the expression for XNOR?
Y equal to A
equal to
A bar
plus
AB bar.
okay, AB plus AB bar is the expression. Okay,
AB bar.
so okay, AB plus AB bar, sorry, AB bar is the expression I have for x NOR gate. Okay, guys, the script may be not good, but these things are meaningful things. Okay, so these are the logical expressions for each gate. Okay, the main thing I want you to remember is AND gate is for multiplication, OR gate is for addition, NOR gate for inversion. If you invert AND gate, you will get NAND gate. If you invert OR gate, you will get NOR gate. Okay, and if you invert XOR gate, you will get NOR gate. Remember that XNOR gate. Remember these things. Okay, if you invert XOR, you will get XNOR gate. Okay, these are the gates I'm having. These three gates are basic gates. These two gates are universal gates, and these two gates are derived gates. Okay, so I hope you understand the gates and its truth tables. Now I want truth tables. Guys, tell me what will be the truth table of AND gate. These things are very important, not the expressions. Rather than the expressions, I want the truth tables. Okay, so what about AND gate? What about AND gate? Truth table of AND gate.
Sir, input equal to, so one
I will tell
input
one
equal
thing.
0. The first input, sir.
Okay, I will try to take screen. Okay, I'll try to take the screen, then I'll try to consider like this. I have taken a document where I want you guys to see all the truth tables. Okay, I'm forming a table with all the conditions. Okay, so this is input A, and try to maximize this one. Okay, so I'll try to increase the font size for better understanding. Okay, so A is the input, B is the second input, and Y will be my output. If I'm talking about any gate, when two inputs are available, your input combinations will be 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1 and 1. Okay, these are the combinations for any gate. Guys, now I'm talking about AND gate. AND gate. So you already know that AND gate is used for multiplication. Tell me, if you multiply the two inputs, what will be the output here? What
Zero.
will be the zero? Then zero. Then
Zero.
zero. Then last one. One. So this is your AND gate. This is your AND gate. Okay, when A into B is taken. Now for OR gate, tell me what is your output for OR gate? 0 plus 0. 0 plus 1.
1, sir.
0 and 1 plus 1.
1, sir.
So for OR gate, this is 0, 1, 1, 1. Okay. Now I will go for NOT gate. Okay. So NOT gate is different. If A is my input, single input since it is, if 0 is the input, output will be, if 0 is 1. If
1, sir.
1 is the input, output is
Zero is output.
0, sir.
okay. So there is only two conditions based on single input I am taking. When 1 is your output, 0 is your output. When 0 is your input, output is 1 in here. Okay, so these are the truth tables for basic gates and OR and NOT gates. Okay, so let me go for a NAND gate. NAND gate. What is the expression for NAND gate? What is the expression for NAND gate?
Y equal to
AB bar.
Means multiply AB and reverse the answer. A into B here is 0 into 0 is 0. 0 into 0 is 0. And reverse of it is, inversion of it is 1. Now 0 into 1 is
1, sir.
0 and reverse it 1.
1.
1 into 0 is 0, reverse it, it is 1. 1 into 1 is 1, reverse it 0. Okay. So this is the truth table of NAND gate. Okay. Let me go for NOR gate. Let me go for NOR gate, guys. NOR gate. What is the logical expression for NOR gate?
A plus B whole bar.
A plus B means 0 plus 0 is 0 and its complement is 1. 0 plus 1 is 1. Its complement is 0. 1 plus 0 is 1 and its complement is 0. 1 plus 1 is 1 and its complement is 0. So this is the truth table for NOR gate. Truth table for NOR gate. Okay. So with this, universal gates and basic gates are over. Let me go for extended gates. XOR gate. I told you already. When the two inputs are low and when the two inputs are high, your output will be low. That is the case. And for the remaining two cases, your output will be high. Okay, guys, if you didn't remember like this, you already know. If you didn't remember like this also, you remember the expression A bar B plus AB bar. Substitute the inputs into that and get your outputs. Not a difficult thing. Okay, so this is about XOR, and exactly reverse of this one is XNOR. What is the reverse thing? 1 0
1
0
0
0 0 1.
Yeah, this is the truth table for XNOR gate. Truth table for XNOR gate. Okay, I have explained logic symbol, logical expression, and truth table. Okay, now we are lagging in drawing the logic symbol. Now I will explain you how to draw the logic symbol also. Okay, I'll try to draw as good as possible for me on the screen. Just will remember all those things. Okay, guys, these are the logical symbols and logical expressions and everything regarding your logic gates. Let me go for logical symbols now. Okay, logic symbols now for each gate.